Hey, so excited to be here. Thank you for having us. I don't know how to say that in Dutch, but we love you all.
The toilet grill is amazing, by the way. I just saw that in the bathroom. You've never heard that before? It's called toilet grill. It's another word for a toilet seat, but it's called toilet grill, meaning toilet glasses.
Who's next?
And all buy from me, bro. Like seniors.
We're gonna have a lot of fun this weekend, and you guys are stuck with all of us. So get ready.
There's a show.
Alright, see you later.
I would wake up as the president of the United States. That would be awesome. And I would like roll into the Oval Office in my boxers and just pretend like nothing's different and just start issuing executive orders. No, you guys wouldn't do that? Yeah, that'd be awesome. Be president for the day? Yeah.
I would wake up as a pro baseball player and go play a pro baseball game. Yeah, every month. Major League at bat, World Series. Thank you.
Okay. I wish I was like I had hell powers like in real life. I could just go.
My absolute dream job, which is not even possible, but I would be James Bond. If I could, I would do that forever. I just think that's the coolest character.
I think you'll be a very good James Bond.
Thank you. That's so sweet. I appreciate you all lying to me. It makes me feel good.
I don't want to be unoriginal, but that was always mine too. Until somebody told me that I couldn't be better than that. So, I know. Screw them, right?
Take all of our jobs.
Yeah, seriously.
Sharman?
James. Yeah, Daniel Sharman's gonna be James Bond, and then none of us are gonna talk to him anymore.
I'd have to kill him.
Yeah, James Bond is pretty rad.
How do you spell it? Where'd she go? She left her card.
It's the Heat Wave by Mac. NARS. Yes, NARS. It has the best one.
No, it's clever. That's a clever idea.
Hi, I'm sorry. In the morning I tend to stand up out of bed first thing.
But she'd said that she'd wait until Monday to watch the show, so what?
Then I brush my teeth. My favorite thing to cook. Cook omelets in the morning. Mostly tomatoes and avocados. Avocados are quite prevalent in California. I think you have them here as well. So I'll cook an omelet, have some coffee, and then I tend to have to use the restroom, but we'll skip that portion of the acting out. Then I hop in my car because it's Los Angeles. And that's doesn't even resemble driving one bit. There you go. Let's take a seat. That was the PG version. You're welcome.
You having fun though?
Yeah.
Yeah? You excited for today?
Yes.
All right, you're stuck with me later.
That's all.
My song is I'm really good at walking in heels. Killer legs.
Got it. Are you from Amsterdam as well?
Yeah.
Nice. Which part?
Almere.
Where's that?
That's not so far from Amsterdam. That's a little place.
A little south?
Yeah. Yeah.
Everything's close here.
Yeah.
Somebody else want the box?
Build a block with the
You want to throw the box?
I have a question here. Yes, go ahead. Wait, let me do the box first. And then we'll ask the next question. Who wants it? Yeah. But she's like, I don't want to answer the box. No. Okay.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I'm actually thinking about it.
Yes. That makes me happy. You should do that. You should absolutely do it if you really want to. That's okay. That will, you know what, just lean into it. You know what I mean?
My spider senses are telling me it's gonna be number. No, I have. Go ahead. Okay, go ahead.
So it's no.
No, just announce it. I'll let you know if it's right.
So it's yellow.
That's fine. Okay.
And the first number is, what do you think it is? What does your spider sense say?
I'm gonna go with 1.
It is! So the first number is a 1.
Told you.
And the second number is also a 1. And then...
Go ahead.
And then...
And then.
So that's the last one.
It's gonna be a 0. It's gonna be 110.
What would your character's theme song be?
Mine would be Eye of the Tiger. Is that what you just thought?
I can imagine you're walking away from a fire and playing Eye of the Tiger.
Slow motion?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I don't know, I'm thinking this way now.
That's Wolfcon. That's what you get at Wolfcon.